Hello, in this video I will show you how to fix card declined on PayPal issue. Now it's a very easy fix. Now there are two main reasons for which you might be facing the issue. So the first reason is whenever you're trying to add the card, as you can see right over here, if you don't have sufficient fund, so the minimum sufficient fund that you should have is at least $5. So if you have less than $5, you will not be able to add your card. Now that's the first reason because of which you will not be able to link your card. Now the second reason is, let's say you just created your PayPal account and if you're trying to add your card, there is a verification phase once you add your card. So PayPal deducts $1 from your account to just simply verify your bank account and your transactions. And once the verification is complete, only then your card is active. Now let's say you added your card but the verification phase was not completed through PayPal and the $1 was not deducted from your account. If that's the case and the verification is still pending, your card will be declined whenever you will try to add funds or send funds. You will get the same message again and again. So if that ever happened, just simply remove the card directly from here. So all you have to do is just simply click on remove card down over here and then again add your card. That will again prompt the review fees, which will again deduct $1, and then once the verification is complete, your account will be fixed. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.